Hello YouTube. I just want to make a small video and say that for all you new subscribers, thanks for watching, thanks for joining, thanks for smashing the like button. I like that saying, smash the like button. I'll have a lot more things on this channel. Right now it's freezing cold in my garage. I have a whole lot of videos up that you probably already noticed. I will be making more as soon as it gets a little warmer in here. I've already said it all before. Mostly just thanks for subscribing. Anyone else new coming to the channel, smash the what do you call it, like button. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. If you subscribe, it helps me. And if I want to get monetized and make money, maybe I'll make like 10 bucks. I don't care. But so far I got 345 subscribers. I appreciate everybody who's subscribed. Hope you're enjoying my pastime, I guess. I don't know, it's just me doing shit. So it's not gonna, my channel's not gonna be all me just doing tool reviews. I do have a lot of work to do. I just get a little caught up in other stuff every now and then, go back to it and go forward. So you'll see me work on one thing and all of a sudden you'll see a video go back to the other thing. Like right now I can't paint anything because it's so cold in here. Plus I'm our stupid place we live where I'm not even allowed to go in a hardware store because I didn't get that, you know, thing that people hate, you know, fucking whatever. So anyway, hope you like the channel. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.